Hi there, I'm here today to introduce you to our solid Felicity. Our need to personalize our environment is more important than ever. Simple shapes and blocks of color really spark creativity. Felicity helps to bridge this trend by providing a grounded look that screams comfort, comfort, and more comfort. The soft hand amplifies off the chenille, mulled texture that makes you want to wrap yourself up in your favorite color. With comfort does also come durability. Felicity is also one of our performance solids and is finished with our Endurepel Shield, easy clean, water-resistant coating to help fight against all life's little messes. Our feature pattern Lennox, a modern graphic block in a cut velvet quality, works well with a variety of textures and planes that boast true performance with our Endurepel finish. Especially Felicity with its soft blue clay in this rich peat coloring. With all the neutrals offered in this texture, we are happy this is being brought to you finished with Endurepel Shield. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope that Felicity has inspired you for some of your next projects. For more information, please make sure to go to our website at ennisfabrics.com or follow us on our social media at Ennis Fabrics.